Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can post on Instagram from your computer. So you just need to be open the browser and then you just need to be log into your Instagram account. The process is login is really simple. You just need to log in here and then eventually you will get this kind of options. Then you just need to go to these options you call the create. You just need to click over here. Now you can go live video options, you can run ad, or you can post anything from that place. You just need to select your image from that place. Let's say we are going to upload this one and it will take a couple of minutes to the uploading. So here you can see it already been uploaded here. And now I am going to click on next one. So click over here. Now they will give us the option to choose the cover photo and the trim options. So if the video has no audio, then you can add audio also. Then just click to the next and then just add locations, give description, add publisher's name, and that's it. Now click to the share, and this way you can upload any post in Instagram. If this video helped you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button.